Very good evening, friends. Hope you all had an amazing Nifty Expiry day. Hope you all had a good money in this Nifty Weekly Expiry special. I'm so happy to see that our levels are perfectly respected by the market. So here we go. Actually, these are the levels which I had in our Telegram group, WhatsApp group in the morning. So let's see. Today is July 24th, right? Okay, good. This is the Nifty level which I shared in the morning around 8:17. So, and this is the Bank Nifty level. So these are the levels which shared before the market opening. Okay, let's see the results. Here we go. This is a perfect, beautiful respect from the market. So as you all know, this is an expiry, so we expected some volatility like that. In early morning we got some volatility, but it's not a full-fledged one. So we got a perfect trade entry around 11 o'clock. As we discussed earlier, we will suggest to use 15 minutes for a stronger confirmation. So this is chart, 15 minutes chart of Nifty. So here we got the entry. See, this is a retest level which I shared in the morning. So perfectly, this 15 minutes candle is opening below this retest level. So it's pretty much confirmed level to enter a P trade. Okay, just check how much it fall from this. That's about 128 points. It's a huge year. It's a really huge. Okay, so this is the first confirmation. This is a full strong bearish candle. The next candle opened below this line which I marked. Okay, so we can go P trade from here. This is the first confirmation. The next one is with our indicator, with our magic indicator. Just see. So this is also gave a clear indication to go for a P trade by managing our risk taking capacity. Okay, so this is one trade is enough for one day, I mean today. So let's check in the price chart. What we can go as 25,150. So we can go with 20. Here we go, 25,200. So here, see, this is in 15 minutes chart. We got entry around 84 rupees. It's also good to go. As we discussed so many times, we can go for 30 points. The entry would be around 84 or 85, 30 points. Here itself we got the entry, but it went up to more than 100 points. If we entered in entered at 11:30 in 15 minutes chart, it gives the full clear confirmation. If not, as per spot chart, we can got the entry at 11:15, right? So either we can enter in between any of this price, like 70 to 65 to 70. So for better confirmation, we just wait and take in the next 11:30 candle in 15 minutes. Let's see in 5 minutes what it happens. See, So around 50, it's a clear entry. It is about 30 points in the sense. Before 11:30 itself, we got the target of 30 points. SL will be, as usual, 15 points. Sorry, 15 points. So we are around enter 15 points. SL will be 32. Entry would be around 47. So we got, as usual, can trial, we can eat the maximum points. It's about 143 points. It's awesome. Yeah. If anyone captured, just ping me in WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, I will share the WhatsApp and WhatsApp group and Telegram link in the description. Please join and get benefited. We learn together and grow together. So this is about Nifty expiry. Let's see Bank Nifty. So this is the Bank Nifty level which I shared in the morning. Okay, so now see what it happened. Check. It's not a big movement like Nifty, but even though it give a decent move, there is one kind of a scalping P entry, but I just ignore it. So we just focus this C trade. It's also kind of a scalping. By as per price action we can go, but we have not it got another confirmation, double confirmation. That is our indicator. Second confirmation is our indicator. We got that much movement. Let's check in the price chart. Sorry, 5 minutes chart. Yeah, in 5 minutes we got an entry. So it's a kind of W pattern, 5 minutes W pattern. So from here around 100 points C entry. So likewise, see, again I'm repeating the same. Based on your risk taking capacity, we can go with the trades by analyzing the chart and comparing the levels. Okay, so if anyone follow these levels and took the trade and got profit, please share it to my WhatsApp or Telegram, so it will give some boost for me to learn and provide more useful information, so that we both are all get benefited and grow. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye, good day.